Get response email marketing tutorial step by step. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use get response for our email campaigns. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So here we are on getresponse.com, and we can easily create free account by simply pasting email address right up here. As you can see, I've already did it. From this page here, we can also find some information, but let's go to our dashboard to start our tutorial. So here we are. After creating an account, I will come to this page here where we have like some simple steps to start work with get response. As you can see, we may add contacts, send a newsletter, and so on. But in this video, I'm going to show you all the features. So in the top of the screen, we can find some tools, contacts, email marketing, and reports folder. Also, we have like generate AI powered email. So it's pretty cool that they integrate their like AI to this service. On the contact page, we can easily manage all the contacts. We can create lists to separate our contacts into different like categories, and also we can add different contacts from the page here. As you can see, we can easily add them. We need to choose the list. We need to choose the how do you want to add contacts, like one by one. Upload a file. So there is like also the upload file option. We can easily use like CSV, TXT files, and so on. We can also like connect from different devices like Zendesk, Highrise, Magento, Salesforce, Google Docs, and so on. Also, we can like paste them from file and migrate list. So basically, there are a lot of options we can easily use to import our contacts, or we can easily like add them one by one. So it's pretty cool. Also, on the context folder, we can use search, segments, reports, live, hidden, and so on. There are a lot of options we can easily like interact with our contacts. On the email marketing folder, we have some subfolders here like drafts, A/B test, my templates, RSS to emails, and reports. Basically, to create an email marketing like template, we just simply need to click on create newsletter or create A/B test, and so on. Also on the reports area, we can find a lot of information, a lot of different stats to find out how does our like campaign perform. It's pretty cool. As you can see, we also have like a lot of different tools. We have like some folders like email marketing, autoresponders, website builder, landing pages. So you can easily like create even websites using GetResponse, but today we're going to focus on email marketing. So there are a lot of options. We can like use forms, reports, e-commerce tools, automations, webinars, and so on. So let's go to email marketing folder, and we'll try to create a newsletter right up here. As you can see, we have two options: by ourselves or with AI email generator. So answer a few questions to get your email. You can run it up to 3 times. It's also like available on the paid plan. Let's try to create it by ourselves, just a simple method we can easily use. So the name will appear on the list of your messages. We need to choose the title. We need to choose the title like for our message. Let it be like welcome letter, something like this. Also, we need to use like from email. Let it be our, and reply to also our email. You can choose some another emails. Subject line, let it be like thanks for sub. So here we need to paste the subject line basically. Recipients, we need to add the recipients. We can add them from our contacts list. So basically, firstly, we need to add some contacts to our list. Let it be like our auto-generated list. And design and content. So here we need to design our message. Let's click on design, and we'll come to our templates where we can find a lot of different templates we can easily customize as we need. So as you can see, there are a lot of them. We can also sort them by different categories like celebrate, educate, promote, sell, welcome. Let's try to find something welcome. As you can see, there are a lot of pretty cool templates we can easily use for free. In my case, I'm going to use this one here. So let's click on use template, and we'll come to the next page. From this page here, we can easily customize everything with these like message. So to work with some elements, we just simply need to click, and then we need to choose something from the right side menu. So here are the properties. We can easily replace, edit, add links. For example, if you want to add logo, change width, height, and some other properties we can easily interact with. We can also like save, duplicate, or delete this section. So let's try to change the order, for example here. So basically it's pretty easy. There are a lot of options we can change. For example, for this text here, if you're going to highlight it, we can find some properties. We can make it bold, italic, underlined, change the font size, and so on, change the alignment. So all like basic features we can interact with our message here. So as for me, it's pretty cool and it's pretty easy to work, just like a simple constructor, like a drag and drop editor here, every single element. We can also like add different sections, add different elements if we need, and it's pretty cool. So let's click on save and exit, or maybe click on next to go to the next tab. Basically now our design was successfully added right up here. So of course you need to customize it and edit it as you need. So the next step is like tracking. We can try to find some tracking areas, so we can track the click tracking, and on the sharing we can find the options to add a Facebook account, add a Twitter account. So if you need, you can of course do it. And the last step, when would you like to send your message? We can send it immediately or schedule for later. So if you'll schedule, we'll have to choose the date and time and the time zone, of course, or we can send it immediately. So it depends on your current plans. So now as you can see, I have like free plan has monthly sends limits. You can send 2500 more emails this month, so it's pretty cool for the free for like a free plan. So let's click on send message, and in a few seconds this newsletter will be sent to our recipients, and I think it's pretty cool. So now we can just go to manage newsletter page, and from this page here we can easily find all the information about these newsletter. And the same way we can use like A/B tests, interact with templates, and so on. Also from tools and reports we can find like information about our campaigns. If you'll discover the prices, we can find that they have like 4 different plans. Free, as you already saw, email marketing, marketing automation, and e-commerce marketing. So we can easily try it for free, and after that we can easily decide is it necessary as for us to upgrade. So as you can see, they have like a simple price like €16 per month, 54 euros, and 106 euros, but we also have like some discounts, and all the differences are described on this page with pricing area. So this is a way of how can we use GetResponse for email marketing. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.